In a vast, sunlit meadow, a buzzard named Buster soared high above. With feathers sleek and eyes bright, he ruled the skies with pride. One day, as he glided on the breeze, a thoughtful question entered his mind. What gives me power, if not the wind beneath my wings? He pondered this question as he circled, seeking an answer from above. The wind whispered to Buster, I do not give you power, dear Buzzard. Rather, I merely help you soar and glide, not rule the skies above. Buster flew to the ground, his heart heavy with the truth he'd found. He searched for strength in his own heart, not in the wind around. He met a humble sparrow, small and timid, on the meadow's grassy ground. Tell me, little one, he asked, how do you rise so high, without wind to be found? I find my power within, the sparrow chirped, and with a heart that's strong. I rise and soar above the ground, singing songs all day long. Buster learned a lesson that day, one that he'd carry all his life. He realized that each of us has power, when we tap into our own inside. From that day on, Buster soared with grace, his heart filled with newfound might. And he shared his wisdom with the meadow creatures, from morning till night. So remember, dear friends, find your power within. Let your heart be your guide, and you'll soar like the buzzard, and win. For power comes not from the wind, or others, but from strength found deep within.